Snoring can be a significant issue in the intimate department. How would you advise someone who is uncomfortable with their partner snoring or disturbed sleep to bring it up?
Yeah, definitely for them to sit down and write exactly what their thoughts are, write how they feel about the situation. Because when you come to your partner, if you're always saying you're only doing one thing to your partner and making them defensive. That's all you're doing. So therefore, you're not going to come closer together. You're not going to build that bridge like Brene Brown says. All you're going to do is build a dam in between you.